Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial will show you how to download apps on your MacBook. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to download apps on your MacBook? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open the App Store on your MacBook. So there are two ways to do this. The first one, it's going to be on your menu on the bottom of the screen, or you just need to search for it on the search bar up top. Now, once the App Store is open, take note that only a few apps and games are available on MacBook. So scroll down until you see the top 3 apps. But if the app that you're looking for isn't there, for example, you search for PowerPoint, click on the search bar, and it will probably be there as you can see here. Here you can press install to get Microsoft PowerPoint on your app. If it asks for your fingerprint, just do that. Now it's finished downloading, you can click on open, and it's that simple. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.